some of the things that we're gonna talk about. Let's talk about first off what Scott will be included in. What Scott will be included in is happy hour, okay? We are gonna teach you guys how to make some of the most amazing drinks. I'm so lucky that Scott is a great bartender, because otherwise I would pretty much only drink wine and Tito's and soda. But he can pretty much whip up any drink, and one of the drinks that we're gonna be sharing soon is the Rosarita, which is if a tequila and a rosé met and fell in love and they had a baby, it would be called the Rosarita. Such a cute name. Well, it's also a delicious drink. I will post the recipe right here. I would tell it to you, but I actually can't remember if it's 1.5 lime and one and a half lime. I can't remember. But I do know that you pour it over ice on salt with a salt rim glass, and you will be in heaven. It'll be like going to Mexico, but not going to Mexico, just having Mexico right in your own house. So make it, it's delicious. If you make it, tag me in it and let me know. So we're gonna do fun happy hour celebrations. We're also gonna talk about some of the things that I love most, which is designer splurges and things that you should not splurge on. So we're going to talk about everything from some of my favorite splurges that I've made to some splurges that I shouldn't have made. And if you're thinking about splurging on a designer bag or anything, make sure that you subscribe and like, because that is one of the things that we're going to cover, and you can make some truly tragic mistakes in buying something that you won't have forever. So lots of stuff on accessories. We're going to be talking about jewelry, which is something I love. Everything from little studs to amazing statement earrings. It's almost summer, and I felt like I couldn't really wear these in the winter. I mean, they're very summery, but now it's getting warm. I'm gonna be wearing them soon. These are Colt Gia, by the way. Love Colt Gia. These are a gift that my husband gave me, gosh, 15 years ago? Like, seriously, 15 years ago. He was in Chicago for business and stopped by the Chanel store and got me these. So this is a splurge that was well worth it. Now, these aren't fine jewelry. These are the costume ones. I think they're like under $400. But for 15 years, and literally, I probably wear them 4 times a week at least. Totally worth it. This would be a great splurge. Speaking of, Mother's Day's coming up. That would be a great major splurgy gift. But here's the deal. I've also bought some Chanel dupes that are really cute too, and no one would really know, like, other than you, which you shouldn't worry about that. I always say, mix the real. My voice said I'm not supposed to cuss on here because it could take down my ratings. So I'm wondering if I should just say it, and then they said they'd put a dolphin sound over me or something, so let's see if they can do that. I always say, get the real and mix it with the fake and no one will ever know. Like, if it's designer or if it's dupe. Only you need to know, and you don't need to apologize for it. Okay, we're also gonna be talking about makeup, something that I love. I have everything from my just daily makeups to more splurge-worthy. Huge fan of Lime Life by Alcone, which is a direct sales company that I love. Wander Beauty, love some Chanel and Tom Ford. But you know what I really love, what I like seriously love, is going to the pharmacy and finding amazing things like this Maybelline Color Tattoo in Social Light. It is a shadow that you put on with your finger. It's a great base, and you need to order it now. I don't know if I would go out, like risk your life right now during the coronavirus quarantine to get this. I'm sure you can find it on Amazon. It is Maybelline Color Tattoo in Social Light. So grab that. You will thank me and you will love it. Okay, and the final thing, I mean, there's so many more things that we're gonna be talking about, but the other thing that we're gonna be talking about a lot, probably weekly or maybe monthly, is fresh flowers. I am a huge lover of fresh flowers, especially hydrangeas. So many of you know that I lost my dad unexpectedly a little over 4 years ago, and his funeral was in North Central Kansas, which there's really nothing around. Like, there's one floral shop, like, I don't know, 20 miles away, and it was September, And for some reason, I was like, we need hydrangeas. Like, I just, so you know, I didn't even really love hydrangeas before. I mean, I liked them, but I don't know if they were my favorite flower, but it just came to me that this is the flower. And this flower shop was so amazing. They were like, well, we don't have any hydrangeas. I'm like, well, surely you can find some. And so they found all the way up in Nebraska, like 2 hours away, some hydrangeas that they could have. Now, I brought those hydrangeas home and they lived for like 2 weeks. I'm not even kidding you, over 2 weeks. So by the time that the hydrangeas made it in for the funeral, then they made the transport back, the fact that they were still alive is kind of a miracle, and it's also kind of a sign. So ever since then, I've kept fresh hydrangeas in my house, but I love mixing them with different things. So we'll do all that. Something else I love are crystals. If you don't have some crystals, DM me, okay? Because you need some. They are just all about good juju. Okay, well, my boys said that my first video needed to be at least 10 minutes, and I think we're going on 12. So enough for this. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Oh, by the way, I'm supposed to say this, subscribe and like, because that's a good thing on YouTube. So, and share if you like it. And let me know what you want to see more of. But really, seriously, in all transparency and honesty, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for loving. If you follow me on Facebook and Instagram, thank you for encouraging me to do this and believing in me, and saying go all out and go all in and never play small and be who you came to be. And I'm pretty proud that right now I feel perfectly flawed, unapologetically authentic, and exactly who I came to be. So we'll see you soon.